Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to practice as goalkeeper. In the beginning, let's go to practice from main menu and go to goalkeeper. Select the wall and now save as many shots as possible within the time limit. To save, firstly press and hold L2 button and then use triangle or Y to perform parade. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.